Today we're doing a little kit bashing. I got in this package from Anvil Industries and I am making a mod to a Yuan-ti miniature.
Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So today I am opening up a package from a company called Anvil Industries with some little cloaks that we're going to use to make a modification to a miniature that I've been working on. Sometimes your best creations come when you bash together two different things.
I'm Officer Reese's. What happened here?
He got peanut butter on my chocolate. He got chocolate in my peanut butter.
So our first step in this process is going to be to take a little blue tack and stick our selected cloak to a cork, and then we're going to prime this black. Here you can see a piece of wire that I twisted, which we'll be using to make the rope to attach our cloak. After the black primer has dried, we're going to base coat this with blue. Want to keep your brushes looking really good? I'm using this product called Master's Brush Cleaner. Just dip your brush in a little bit of water and treat it like a soap. After you're done, leave a little bit of the product still in the bristles and it'll dry to a nice point, just like when the brush was brand new. Next step is to give the cloak a dark blue wash. Now I'm starting on the underside of the cloak just because that will be where I want the wash to pool and be the darkest. Now that we've got the wash done, I'm going back to the Vallejo's magic blue color to go back over the cloak and give some highlights. I want to hit the highest points of the folds of the fabric while I do this. Now I'm going to use Porconi Paint's Stone Edge to just do a very light dry brush over this cloak and just bring out some of the brightest spots of the fabric. Now we're ready to position and glue on the cloak. So I dry fitted it first, and then I'm using Zap-A-Gap's Slow Gap to set this. Now the Slow Gap of course dries a little bit slower than the regular Zap-A-Gap, but its other main benefit is that it is thicker, so it's not going to run around as much on us. I used a little zip kicker to set this instantly once I got it positioned where I wanted it. Now as for the rope, I wound up cutting off a piece of the wire and then spent a while bending it and getting it shaped exactly the way I wanted it before I ever applied any glue to it. I used jeweler's pliers to position and hold this while the glue set, but a pair of tweezers would work equally as well. With the glue set, now we can paint this rope with a little bit of metallic silver paint. I didn't want the gold brass look of my wire. My last step is to just do the tiniest bit of touch-up with the purple metallic paint that I used for my Yuan-ti's flesh. I had one small drop of super glue ooze out, but this little bit of touch-up hides it completely. And there you have it. With a little bit of kit bashing, we've completed out this Yuan-ti miniature with an awesome looking cloak. Now we'll cut him off this temporary base and put him on an awesome looking custom base. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you have any questions, leave them for me below. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.